Ever wondered how to draw a Greek god manga style? Or create a legendary dragon with mind-blowing details? Today, we're diving into how to design manga characters inspired by mythical creatures and legendary stories. Ready? Let's do this! Hi guys, my name is Mobin, and today we're going on an epic journey to learn how to draw manga characters inspired by myths and legends. From Greek gods to Japanese mythical creatures. We're going to cover it all. Get ready to turn your favorite legendary figures into manga masterpieces. Let's get started. First step, pick your mythical creature or character. You could go with something like a Greek god Zeus, or maybe a Chinese dragon, or even a phoenix. Today I'm going with a Greek god Zeus with thunder and a fierce look. Follow along as we sketch it out. If, like me, you are drawing the god of thunder Zeus, you don't need to add the beard and hair at this stage. Don't worry, we will complete everything step by step like this. Next, let's focus on the face. You want to make sure the expression matches the mood of your character. Since this is the mythical creature of Zeus, I'm looking for a sharp and intense look. The eyes are key here. Make them fierce and powerful. For mythical creatures, bold and defined lines can highlight the face of your character. Like this. Now it's time to add the magic. That all-important mythological detail. Let's go crazy with big wings, twisted horns, and maybe a fiery tail to give that creature some serious power. For this Zeus, I add thunder to really capture that sense of power. Remember, the more details, the more alive your character will be. Like this. And one very important point. As always, here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw special characters like those with cat ears or giant teeth, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.